like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is matrices and determinants. Now our first one, if det of x to x square x6, x6 is equal to ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus c. Then the value of this one. Okay, now delta, this value is equal to let delta of x is equal to det of x to x. Now x square x6, now x6. Okay, now then 5a plus 4b plus 3c plus 2d plus e is equal to delta 1 plus delta dash 1. Okay, now this value is equal to delta 1 plus delta dash 1. Okay, now first find delta 1. Now first find delta 1. Now delta 1 is equal to 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 116, 116. Now 116, 116. Now here observe that R2 and R3 are identical. R2 and R3 are identical. In determinants, two rows or two columns are identical, then the value of determinant is equal to 0. Therefore, that value is equal to 0. Delta 1 is equal to 0 plus. Okay, next find delta dash x. First find delta dash x. Okay, now delta dash x is equal to, now delta dash x is equal to det of, now here derivative of R1, now R2 and R3 are same as it is right down. Now derivative of R1, x derivative is 1, now constant derivative is 0, now x derivative is 1. Now R2 and R3 as it is right down, x square x6, now x6 plus det of, okay, next derivative of R2, now R1 and R3 as it is right down, x2x, now derivative of x square is 2x, now x derivative is now 1, and also derivative of constant is 0. Now R3 as we write down x and 6. Now plus det of, okay, derivative of R3, remaining R1 and R2 as it is write down, x2x, x square x and 6. Now derivative of x1, derivative of constant 0. Okay, now here find delta dash 1, okay, now det of 101, 116, 116 plus det of 1 to 1, now 210, now 116 plus det of 1 to 1, now 116, now 110. Okay, now here two rows are identical. This value is 0. Now 0 plus 1 into, now 6 minus 0 is 6, minus 2 into 12 minus 0 is 12, plus 1 into 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, plus, now 1 into 0 minus 6, minus 6, minus 2 into 0 minus 6, plus 1 into 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, now 6 minus 24 plus 1 minus 6 plus 12, now plus 0. Okay, now plus 6 and minus 6. Now minus 24 plus 13, minus 24 plus 13 is equal to minus 11. Therefore, delta dash 1 value is minus 11. Now 0 minus 11. Now 0 minus 11 equal to minus 11. Therefore, 5a plus 4b plus 3c plus 2d plus c value is minus 11. Therefore, option 1 is the correct one. Next one is p is equal to root 3 by 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 and a value 1101 and q value pa p transpose, then p transpose q power 2020 into p is. Okay, now first to find p into p transpose equal to. Okay, now p value root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 into, now p transpose value root 3 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. Okay, multiply both. Now 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 4 by 4, 1. Okay, now root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, 0. And minus root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4, 0. And also 1 is equal to I. Therefore, P into P transpose equal to I, or now P transpose equal to P inverse. P transpose equal to P inverse. Okay, next to find P transpose Q power 2020 into P. Okay, now P transpose into Q power 2020 means Q value PAP transpose, PAP transpose into up to so on 2020 times into P. 2020 times into P. Okay, now multiply with P transpose and here also P. P transpose P into A. Now P transpose into P. Again P transpose into P into A. Now P transpose into P. Up to so on. Now P transpose into P into A. Now P transpose into P. Now here this one 2020 times, 2020 times. Now P transpose P value I. Now I into A power 2020 times. I into A power 2020 times. Now I into here A into A into A up to so on 2020 times means I into A power 2020 times. Now I into a power 2020 is equal to a power 2020. Okay, now a value are given. Now find a power 2020. Okay, now first a square. Find a square. Okay, now a is equal to a square is equal to 1101 into 1101. Okay, now 1 plus 0 1. Next 1 plus 1 2. Now 0 plus 0. Now 1. 1 to 0 1. Now a cube is equal to 1 to 0 1 into 1101. Now is equal to 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 0 1. Now 1 into 1 1 3 0 1. Now a power 2020 is equal to up to swan is equal to 1 2020 0 1. Therefore a power 2020 is equal to 1 2020 0 1. Now option 2 is the correct one.